here I am stuck at the yard in Fontana, California. I've already driven my full clock out. Now I'm just chilling here waiting for a load. So I figured I'd do another cooking video. I don't really feel like cooking any. Basically, I'm gonna cook a breakfast kind of sort of meal, and I'm also gonna turn the camera, see if that helps any better with the actual video once I get to editing. So in this video, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try and cook get me a breakfast video going. I'm gonna make some fried potatoes. I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs, and then I'm gonna fry up some ground beef because I really don't have anything else for breakfast meat unless I use the lunch meat. So that's what this video is gonna be. Got most of the stuff, but not all the stuff out. Got my eggs, put that right there. Got my oil for frying. I need my onion, which is back here. Got my onion, and I got a potato. And then afterwards, I might throw it into some. Tortillas. And then I got the ground beef. Ground beef is already out. It's already defrosted. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. That way you guys can see what we're going. See what we got. All right. So in this video, we're not going to be using the Farberware electric pressure cooker. We're going to go ahead and use my electric skillet. I already got it plugged in, and she's warming up. Just got to go ahead and peel and dice the potato, dice up the onion, fry up the meat, scramble the eggs, put everything together, and then throw it into some tortillas. All right, so we're going to start off with this one. Peel her up, dice her up. All right, so the potatoes have boiled, absorbed the water. I went ahead and put my onions in, got my ground beef in. This is going to be a small meal. It's not going to feed me for 2 or 3 days. This is maybe 1 or 2 meals here. All right, so I'm going to fry this up. I'm going to season it up, and then we will be back. All right, so I went ahead. I've already fried them all up. I added 4 whole eggs, and now I'm just scrambling everything together. You know, it's not that hard to cook in your truck. And like I said in the previous videos, it can save you money, and it can keep you from looking like some of these super truckers that you see at the truck stops. Barely get in and out of their own trucks, but every time they get into their truck, they got a bag. And I'm not talking about a money bag. I'm talking about a Subway bag or a Burger King bag, Arby's bag. You know what I'm saying? Or they got a liter of Mountain Dew, 2 pizzas, 2 orders of chicken wings. You guys get what I'm saying. This maybe took me 20 minutes because I had to, boil the potatoes up because I like my potatoes a little softer. But I got this right here. That's a lot of food. That's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 burritos right there. That's 5 breakfast burritos. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish this up, feed my face. Probably eat 2 of these burritos now, save the rest for later. Now the hard part comes. Do I want flour tortillas or do I want corn tortillas? Because I got them both. Alright, well, if you guys have any suggestions on what else I should cook, if you want to see step-by-steps, I can do that. They do get to be a little long and tedious. I don't think I need to give you guys reviews. Everybody knows what a breakfast burrito tastes like, and I am biased because I like my cooking. The only thing I'm going to add to this is going to be some green salsa, the Taco Bell kind. They may have stopped serving it at the actual restaurant, but they sell it at the store. So always got me a bottle of that stuff on hand. But all right, guys, I appreciate you watching it. If you liked, please show your like by hitting that like button.